The month that was, September 1988. What did 1988 mean to you? In this month we explore the important events that happened in September. The world watched as athletes gathered in Seoul for the Summer Olympics, a global reunion after years of tension. Athletes pushed limits, crowds held their breath. It was competition at its purest. Then came a moment that defined the darker side of that drive. Canadian sprinter Ben Johnson crossed the line first, a symbol of power and pride, until his gold was stripped for steroid use. Though the headlines turned to scandal, the Games still marked a triumph for South Korea, emotional, unifying, and unforgettable. Far from the stadiums, Hurricane Gilbert roared through the Caribbean, one of the most powerful storms ever recorded. Whole towns in Jamaica were flattened. Families stood among debris searching for what was left. Across the region, the wind carried stories of loss and of survival that still echo in island songs today. In Estonia, a different kind of strength rose. 300,000 voices singing for freedom. The Singing Revolution wasn't fought with weapons, but with melodies that shook an empire. A reminder that sometimes a nation can begin again just by finding its voice. In Iraq, reports emerged of chemical attacks on Kurdish villages, a horror that showed how cruel the end of war could be. Tens of thousands were killed, and the world faced a truth it had chosen too long to ignore. Back at sea, a North Sea drilling rig called Ocean Odyssey erupted in flames after a gas blowout. Workers fled through smoke and cold waves as rescue ships closed in, a reminder of the cost of energy before anyone spoke of climate. Yet September still found reasons to look up. The US Space Shuttle program took flight again after 2 years of silence. Discovery rose from Cape Canaveral and broke through the clouds where Challenger had fallen. For a moment, hope felt engineered into every bolt. Across the Middle East, Israel launched its first satellite into orbit, a new eye in the sky for a nation used to looking over its shoulder. And in the Atlantic, explorers found the long-lost ship of gold, the SS Central America, resting beneath a century of storms. In the markets, confidence cracked. The Financial Corporation of America, once worth billions, collapsed, another reminder of how quickly ambition can turn to ashes. And in New York, the Rockefeller Center was declared a national landmark, a symbol of what still stood. September 1988 was a month of storms and songs, of collapse and recovery, proof that progress is never a straight line but a series of brave returns.